Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see if Discord message is read. The first thing will be to open Discord. There, click on Direct Messages and click on the desired user. Now you are going to send him any message. Here you will simply wait for them to respond. This is how Discord shows you if they saw your message. You can see what the user is typing at the bottom of the message. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.